I lagged the fuck out. Point blank with a car 98, so. Great. He brought me. Oh, we're totally going the wrong way. Oh, bang bus, don't turn, we're shit. Is there a way out there? Will the bang bus fit? What the hell, dude? What the hell? Let me see how to drive. Oh, what's up?
You ready? Let's get in the circle first. Well, let's get in the circle. Oh shit. Number 3. Yeah, I don't know.
They wanted to. Maybe he got car sick.
Damn it.
Dear Lord. Oh, bro, I got a bang bust.
Enemies ahead! Enemies ahead!
Yeah. I don't know if they're watching it or what. I don't. Somebody going for the drop. And a motorcycle. That's you. There you go. Oh, headshotted that bastard. Oh, yep. Roger that.
There's 4. There's a squad.
Fuck his day up. Whoever said there was a squad, they were right.
Yep.
2 down. Whoa, what the hell? Squad wipe.
Yep.
ahead.
Yeah, see him. Missed. Hiding behind the tree. God damn. What are you rocking? 8 times? Jesus.
There's another one by the haystack.
Yeah, he smokes. Ah, hit him again. Finally, fucking A. Hit those run shots.
It's knocked.
His buddy's out there somewhere.
Yeah, I knocked him.
No, the guy in the smoke ran out.
Yeah, I knocked him. Yeah, I knocked him.
Silver knocked him.
That's it.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.